This is a video to answer a question that I get many times. Somebody younger than a certain age will come into the front yard and they'll look and see this, and they wonder what it is. Well, it doesn't help that its name is in Spanish, but for those of you older than 30, you're probably quite familiar that this is a payphone. So the question is, how would you use this device? Well, first of all, if you see one in today's day and age, it probably doesn't work. So you want to check and see if it has a dial tone. And this one does. Alright, now there are instructions on the phone. It says stop, listen for tone, deposit coins. Well, that doesn't really tell us what to do. You have to know which coin or coins to use. Now in this case, I know it's 25 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and call the time of day for the Miami area. So the first thing you want to do, you pick up the phone, listen for the tone, deposit the coin, then you dial the number. I don't know if you can hear that, but it does tell the time and it has an advertisement. And a weather report. You can adjust the volume by pushing this a couple times.
I am sorry, but that's not a valid extension. Please try again.
Okay. When you hang up, it puts the coin into the coin box. Pretty simple. If you call a number and no one answers when you hang up, it'll come back into the coin return, returning your coin. In this case, I keep a few coins in here just for convenience. This phone is also rigged to ring. If someone calls, it will ring on this as an outside extension in which I can answer it at any time. Now, because there is no display on this thing, how do you know if you want to call someone? Well, years ago, we had this, the phone book. How does this thing work? We gotta flip it out, tip it up, and inside here you'd find a rather old phone book. The phone book usually had yellow pages for business, and there was a white pages. I think this one is just the yellow pages. Oh, here's some white pages, as you can see. So the date is, oh boy, that is pretty old, 2008. When you're done, you can simply put it back. Not bad. It also has a light inside of here. After it gets dark, it has a photo sensor that allows it to light up. And then that way it makes it easier to use the phone. If you look at the phone, you'll see that it has buttons. The buttons are like a chromed metal. It has a chrome background. It's actually a pretty interesting setup right here. Very simple, very interesting. So, that's how you use a payphone.